Hey, welcome to All Skill Tutor. In this video, we'll be reviewing the Badoo dating app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer, this is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Badoo is one of the world's largest dating-focused social discovery apps, designed to help people meet new friends, casual dates, or serious partners. Unlike some apps that focus strictly on swiping, Badoo mixes elements of social networking with online dating, giving users multiple ways to connect. Many users appreciate Badoo's massive global user base, which makes it easier to meet people both locally and internationally. The app includes features like live video chat, people nearby, and a swiping-style encounters section for quick matches. For those who want more than surface-level connections, Badoo's profiles allow for more detailed information compared to some competing apps. On the positive side, Badoo is praised for its straightforward design and focus on real interactions. The video chat feature is especially useful for confirming authenticity before meeting someone in person, which helps reduce fake accounts and catfishing. Badoo also provides verification tools like photo checks, further boosting user trust. Another plus is flexibility. Users can decide whether they want casual chatting, dating, or even making friends. Still, there are a few drawbacks worth noting. Some users feel that while the app is large, the match quality can vary a lot depending on your location. Free users also face limitations, with features like boosting your profile visibility, seeing who liked you, or sending unlimited messages, often locked behind paid subscriptions. A few reviews mention occasional spam or inactive accounts, despite verification systems. In summary, Badoo is worth considering if you want a dating app that blends social networking with matchmaking and gives you tools to connect more authentically. With its global reach, flexible features, and video chat options, it's a strong platform for meeting new people. However, if you're looking for a highly curated dating experience or dislike freemium limitations, it may not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.